Today we travel to the Kennedy Space Center on Merritt Island, Florida to witness the SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket launch to place 2 satellites into Earth orbit for the U.S. Space Force. From Florida to Alaska, from the East Coast to the West Coast, join Jane and Steve celebrating their 50th wedding anniversary, traveling across North America in the Cool Nana Coach, their 27-foot 4 Freedom Elite Class C motorhome, as they visit the many beautiful points of interest in all 50 United States on their golden anniversary adventure. We arrive at our favorite rocket launch viewing location on the Banana River, just outside of Port Canaveral at 6:30 a.m. for the 9:41 a.m. launch. The area is already packed with spectators 3 hours before launch time.
LD, this is the MD. The MD is go for launch.
There we heard the final go for launch.
T-minus 30 seconds and counting.
Let's listen in to the final count as Falcon Heavy gets ready to go to space once again.
T-minus 15 seconds and counting. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. Vehicle is pitching downrange. In with the chamber pressure is low.
Thrust. Headed to space. We've throttled down in preparation for max Q, a moment of peak mechanical stress on the rocket.
Falcon Heavy is supersonic.
There we just heard the call out that the vehicle is now traveling faster than the speed of sound. What a beautiful sight.
Max Q.
All right, there we just heard the call out. That is the moment of peak mechanical stress on the rocket.
Side core shutdown. Booster separation confirmed.
And there you can see and heard it by the incredible excitement within the crowd behind me. Successful separation of the side boosters. There we can see 3 engines on each side booster have relit for their boost back burn. At this point in time, both side boosters are returning.
All vehicles are following nominal trajectories.
Good news there. Both side boosters and the center core, everything looking good. Side boosters are returning to the coast of Florida.
Right there. There they are. Over there, left. Oh, I just saw it. Here they are.
Holy crap!
There it is.
That's why I came.
Where are they?
And there's the echo.
So did they stick it? Did they stick both of them? They did?